There are total 1,560 pieces of solar PV module. We are using solar giga energy PV module. Each panel is consisting of 700 watts. In terms of capacity, it's 1.092 megawatt peak. So we are exporting 880 kilowatt AC. Total, we have 8 units of inverter. Each inverter is 110 kilowatt AC.
We need a product like Cygen for us, easy organized, easy to install. So 4 numbers inverter combined to one PV AC commander box and then connect to the existing main switchboard.
Cygen inverter also built in the EMS system. Therefore, we no need install more devices to log the daily data. Once we complete the installation of the inverter and we make it online, strictly we can monitor the consumption through our apps. And then if anything happens, built-in AI can let us know immediately through the apps.
Cygen inverter, they got itself the PV ground protection and AFI protection is more than 500 meters.
Cygen is a smarter, cost-efficient, and sustainable energy solution.